y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. Welcome back to our funnel challenge. In today's video, we're going to design our thank you page, this page here. This is the page where we're going to deliver our lead magnet, front-end offer, upsell item, and downsell item. However, since we've restricted them, your prospect will not have access unless they've purchased them. So let's get started by entering the Cheetah Builder inside our Builderall back office. We can access that here. We'll just click enter. And the website that we're working on is our upsell downsell sales funnel. So let's go ahead and edit site. And then the page that we want to edit is going to be our thank you membership access page. So let's go ahead and edit that page now. And in the previous training, we already have the access buttons and the products that we want to put on this page. Now we just need to design it. So let's get started by adding a panel. Now this first panel that I'm going to add is actually going to be a blank panel because what I want to do is promote on top the upsell product, which is our private coaching. And the reason I want to do that is, quite honestly, it's our most expensive product, okay? So I want to definitely promote the private coaching here. So I'm just going to add some text here. We can add an image. So we'll just go to Elements. Let's add an image. We'll just choose this one here. And we're going to need some more text. So we'll just choose some smaller text here. And since I am branding myself as the authority, I want to add an image of myself. So let's go ahead and we'll just add that here. Let's go to General Settings and select File. And we'll add the image here. We'll shrink this down just a little bit, and we can change this text. Just say welcome. And then we could add some text here to explain who I am and how I got started coaching and how much I would love to have a private one-on-one coaching session. And then I want to add that button here. So let's just go ahead and add some text. And let's just go ahead and we'll just copy and paste this just to have more text. And we'll just stretch this out. And of course, we want this to look much better. We may even put a video here to just say more about the coaching or more personal experiences we've had with marketing or whatever that we're coaching about. And then let's go ahead and just add this upsell button to our panel. Now it looks like it's going to be under a layer of this panel. So let's go ahead and we'll change that by clicking in the button, going to Edit Element. We'll go down to Advanced, and then we will just change that order to be on top. And let's go ahead and justify this to the left. So we'll just double click in the box and we'll click left there. Looks like we need to add a space here. So we definitely want to play with this text. This is not the text that we would leave here, but you get the point, okay? So let's go, we'll just leave that there and say that it's perfect, even though we definitely do not love this. We want to now promote these other three products, okay? So let's go to Add, and we want to add another panel. And let's go down to the offer wall. And we actually have a panel here that is congruent with the style of the rest of our funnels. So let's just choose this one. So now we have 6 options here, and we actually only have 4 products inside our membership area. So let's go ahead. We're just going to delete these 3. And we could actually reduce the size of this panel here since it's a little large. There we go. And then we want to add our products that we have here. If we want to change the sort order of these panels, all we need to do is go click in the panel, Edit Element, and then you can actually go to Order Panels, just so that we can see this better. And then let's actually drag this top panel to the bottom, and then we can click Move. So now we have our top panel on the top, and then we have the panel that we're going to delete here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and change the product name here to be our lead magnet. So we'll just call this lead magnet, even though we would obviously not keep that as lead magnet because that doesn't tell our lead or prospect anything about what we're offering here. But for the sake of organization, In the beginning, I definitely want to put what we're actually going to put here until it's all organized, okay? The goal in a sales funnel, especially with this many pages, this many steps, we want to stay organized so that we don't confuse ourselves and we don't have someone getting lost in our funnel, okay? So I always say, get the organization done first, and then you can tweak it any way you want and design and change colors and make it pretty, okay? Let's go ahead and we'll double click in here and we'll just change this name to be our front end product. And this is going to be our downsell product because remember, we are already giving them access to the upsell product in the first panel we created. So let's go ahead and call this downsell product. And let's go ahead and get the actions set for our buttons. So now we need the lead magnet membership page. So we'll go ahead and click there. And then we need the front end product page. So we'll go ahead and click there. And then now we need the downsell. So we'll go ahead and choose the downsell membership page. Let's go ahead and save. And that's fine. So now that we have our buttons set, we can delete this panel and have a clean working space. And then we'll go ahead and save again. So now we have this page here where we are promoting again our upsell offer. And remember, as they're going through the funnel, we always want to offer a discount. So if our upsell offer was $147 in the very first page, the very first time they saw the upsell offer, then we definitely want to give that as a discount. But then here we want to promote it as regular price because we wanted to create that sense of urgency and say limited time offer while they're going through the funnel, but also maintaining our integrity and then charge them regular price here, okay? But again, we still want to use every opportunity to promote our other offers. So we'll just say that this is okay, even though definitely not happy with the design, but like I said, you get the point here. And then again, down here, we just want to tell them like, hey, here's another opportunity, or if you purchase these, here are your offers. So we want to change the images here, obviously. So our lead magnet, let's go ahead and edit element. And we can go to general settings and let's change the image. And we will add the image of our lead magnet here. And remember, we offered them the one book, and then on the email confirmation page, we offered them 2 additional books to compel them to confirm their email. Okay, and we'll change this to our front end product, which was our course. So let's go ahead and we'll add this image here. And we'll just stretch that out a little bit. And then our downsell product was the group coaching sessions. So let's go ahead and grab an image for that one. And we'll just stretch that out a little bit. So now, even if they have not purchased the downsell product or the upsell product, they still have the opportunity to purchase here, okay? So we'll go ahead and save again. So the only thing we have left to do now is just make sure that the mobile is optimized. So let's go ahead and enter the mobile view. And we probably want our upsell button to be below the text. So we'll just click in there and then choose the down arrow to move. We definitely want some more space at the bottom here. So we'll click in the button and go to Edit Element, and we'll go down to Advanced, and we want to add space at the bottom. And we can do that simply by dragging that there. Looks like the rest of everything looks good, so there's no more work we need to do there. Let's go ahead and go back to the desktop, and we want to save. And that's fine. And let's look at the live view. So here's what the live view of our website looks like. Obviously, again, we will want to work on the design just a little bit, make sure it's all branded to us, change the colors of the buttons. But other than that, you can see the functionality and you can see the purpose. And it's all ways to not only deliver the product, but also give them the opportunity to purchase our other products as well. So now that we've designed our thank you page with restricted areas to all of the products in our funnel, in the next video, we're going to start designing and complete our restricted areas, starting with the first one, our lead magnet membership area. So until then, go build it with Builderall.